Alright, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your program and edit it. So what we've done before is we made our endpoint where the block is now. I have also added a start point right here. But if I were to run the program as is, our robot is going to crash because it's actually going to try and take this block, move it from the endpoint to the start point, and it's going to hit the fixture. So we're going to have to move these points around once we get there. We're not going to do that right now. First thing we're going to do is add some positions. So first position that we have is our endpoint. Our next position is going to be above our endpoint, right here, and then it's going to go across to a third position, which is above the start, and it's going to go down to the start point. So I'm going to do that by hitting waypoint, command, set waypoint, bring it up, there, hit OK, and then I'm going to edit this name. I'm going to call it above, end, submit. Now I need to make one more, so I'm going to jog it over. That's something I want to make sure. I want to make sure that it is where the start point is. So I'm going to click on my start point, and I'm going to hit move here. Now when I hit move here, it brings me to this move robot into position, and there's an auto. So when I click down the button, you're going to see that the robot moves. Okay, so all it does is it moves to the position we need. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to add a new waypoint. Waypoint. Set waypoint. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to rename it to above start. Oops. There. So now we have our 4 points. So now what I'm going to have to do, though, is I'm going to have to rearrange our program over here so it reflects what we want the robot to do. So let me get rid of the robot view for a second. There. So now for us to move these around, there's a few ways we can do that. We go to structure, and then we have our move buttons here. So let me show you. I'm going to click on the endpoint, and then let me hit move down. Move, move. So there's the endpoint there. So now when we look at it, it goes from the start point to above start to above end to end. So what that's going to do is it's going to go, let me bring back our robot view. Come on, robot view. There. So I'll just run it for you so you can see what it does. Start here at the start point. And whenever we try a new program or anything like that, it's going to bring up this screen again. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm just going to hold down the auto button. You can see that the robot moves a little bit. Get the camera in view. Turn this back up in here. Okay. Hit the OK button. Now when I play it, a productive stop right there, and robot. So what happened, let me bring up the thing. It was a good thing I showed you that, because can't surprise. What I did was I hit play, and it went right down this list to the end here, and then instead of stopping, it just went back to start position, and it tried to move across here. So that's just a thing to look out for.